This is Ron Vargo with the Pearson Peterbilt Group. I'm down here at our Jackson, Georgia location. And this is a brand new 2027 Peterbilt 589. It's got the 13,200 pound capacity steer axle with disc brakes up front. We put extra lights in front of the breather. Got some extra under cab lights. Dual sided cab exhaust. A polished stainless cover over the def tank. Got a 90-gallon fuel tank over here on this side. We put a Merritt Headache rack on it. It's got the FW35 fifth wheel with no tilt convertible option and a 42-inch air slide. It's riding around on low pro 22.5s. It has 40,000 pound air track rear suspension with 336 gears. Got our stainless mud flat brackets. Over on this side, we've got a 135-gallon tank, and it is split 75 fuel, 60 hydraulic. Got our stainless visor, 2 roof-mounted air horns, with the stainless rock guards underneath the headlights, tapered chrome front bumper with the heavy-duty toe pin, some fog lights. Let's take a look under the hood. Under the hood, we've got our 525 horse Cummins X15 with 1850 torque. And behind that is a 13-speed manual transmission. Take a look inside. We've got our premier interior, air ride vinyl seats. Got the spot for your CB radio hookups up there under the header. Got our extra dash gauges, AM FM radio. She's ready to go to work. So if you could use it, give me a call, 706-372-4698. Or be sure to check out www.pearsonpete.com. Check out our inventory. If you see something there, I could help you in that too.